Uncle Dan came over this weekend to go turkey hunting with Brian. Woke up for Logan's feeding. He's gonna kill me. But he's so freaking loud. Who can sleep? Oh, Daniel, I love you. Good luck trying to get Logan back to sleep with this monster.